the best rector of the year goes to this fantastic lady, an energetic lady, a political puhaha. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not any other person. Make some noise for Feyintola Daniel. Beautiful Feyintola Daniels.
Thank you. And to the organizers of the show, putting the show together, and for seeing me worthy. Thank you so much. And lastly, my fiancé, my husband to be, Olabodemi. This wouldn't have been possible without you two. Please join me on stage. Please welcome my fiancé on stage. Olabode is my pillar. Olabode is my strength. Without Olabode, I wouldn't be here. Thank you so much, Bode. Olabode, thank you for all you do.
Will you marry me?
Yes. Baby, this is so beautiful.
Will you marry me?
Okay, let's talk about bloggers now. You blogger can be by now. Yeah, it's true. This is beautiful. You did all this yourself.
Fine, because it's a surprise.
Even at that, now we live in a content world now. Content era. You can't bloggers be now. Right, it's been medias everywhere. Can't blog it one left, right, center, upstairs. Taking different shots. This is too beautiful to let it go. And you know how high my social media presence is.
My lady, I can't go live.
No, Koledabi, how bloggers in front. Toba take and go go viral to live Lord Denieni. Oh my God.
Excuse me, sir.
Call all the available bloggers. Blogger to Balekwe, Kubaje Meji, Kubaje Meta, okay. But impromptu low advice. Okay. So call them. So man that be surprised. So dear. So me my baby give me buy see. Mama butter. So dear. So okay, I make what lejo plan. Wow. Oh my shit. So be so surprised. Wow. So my too very real. Baby, so dear. I was surprised. Wow. Okay. I'm with you. Oh yeah. Wọ́n ní láti pọ̀ wọ́n tó bá lè reach me. Kò bá jẹ́ méjì, kò jẹ́ mẹ́ta, kò jẹ́ mẹ́rin, kò just reach anybody. I need bloggers here now.
I will do just that. Let me get here.